Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to identify the symbols, laundry symbols with your iPhone camera. So here I don't have the laundry and I don't have the symbol on the laundry, but I can show you how to identify it. So at first you have to go to the settings of your device over here and scroll down to the camera right there. Scroll all the way down so that you can see, pardon me, it wasn't all the way down where it was. It was here, camera control, pardon me, it's my fault. Camera control, and here scroll to the bottom, and here, as I can see, we have launch visual intelligence. Press and hold. Make sure that this is enabled. Now if you press and hold the camera button, you can see that something is here, and this is the camera. And now if you take a photo of something, for example, let it be this pen over here. If I take a picture of this pen, you can the same way take a picture of the laundry symbol. And here they have three things. We can either tap search to search the internet, and search for the this pen, in your case this symbol, laundry symbol, or ask ChatGPT. Let me ask ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT is unavailable if you are 30 and older, so let me tap search over here. I don't have my correct date set, but as I can see, this is the similar pen, and you can if you do a very nice and crystal clear photo of your laundry symbol, there will be everything. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.